Welcome to the next part of the video. Question number 136. 26-year-old woman present with the palpable thyroid nodules and needle biopsy demonstrate amyloid in the stroma of the lesion. The cervical lymph node palpable at the same side as the lesion. The preferred treatment should be total thyroidectomy and modified neck dissection on the side of enlarged lymph node. Next question. The most common tumor of salivary gland is palmophobic adenoma. Then next question. The pre-malignant condition with the highest probability of progression to malignancy is erythropica. Corkscrew esophagus is seen in which of the following condition is D. Diffuse esophagus is sparse. Question number 140. Barrett esophagus is lower esophagus lined by the columnar epithelium. The adenocarcinoma of esophagus develop in Barrett esophagus. The next question. The lowest recurrence of peptic ulcer is associated with C. Vagotomy plus enterectomy. Question number 143. The risk factor for development of gastric is the intestinal metaplasia type 3. The next question. In case of hypertrophic pyloric stenosis, the metabolic disturbance is C. The metabolic alkaloids and paradoxical aciduria. Then question number 40. All of the following indicate early gastric cancer except involvement of mucosa, submucosa and muscularis. Question number 146. The gastric outlet obstruction in the peptic ulcer patient, the site obstruction is most likely to be duodenum. Question number 147. Ramesh meet with an accident with the car has been deep coma for last 15 days. The most suitable route of administration of protein and calories is by jejunostomy tube feeding. Next question. The 10th-month-old infant present with the acute intestinal obstruction, contrast eczema, X-ray show the intubation is likely to A. Pyer patch of hypertrophy. Next question. After undergoing to the surgery of carcinoma of colon, a 44-year-old patient develops single line metastasis of 2 cm. What do you do next? Is recession. The next question. The sentinel lymph node biopsy is an important part of management of which of the following condition is carcinoma breast. Next question. All of the following are the clinical feature of thromboangiitis obliterans except absence of popliteal plus. Question number 153. Rani, a 16-year-old girl, has no pitting edema in recent onset of affecting her right leg, but the other symptoms referred to of evaluation. Two statements about the patient include B. A lymphangiogram will be hypoplasia of the lymphatic. Question number 154. All of the following statements of acute adrenal insufficiency are true except A. Hyperglycemia is usually present. Next question, all of the following are the correct statement about the radiological evolution of the patient with the Cushing syndrome except MRI of Salat Teorica will identify the pituitary cause of Cushing syndrome. Next question, a male age 60-year-old has a foul breath and regurgitates food that eaten 3 days ago. If diagnosis is a Janker diverticulum. Question number 157. The most common site of squamous cell carcinoma esophagus is, we can use our own direction. What is the true regarding of congenital hypertrophy? Pyloric stenosis is B. Hypochloremic alkalosis. Question number 159. The patient present with the recurrent duodenal ulcer is 2.5 centimeter size. Procedure of choice is A. Tunical vagotomy and enterectomy. Next question, all of the feature of hyperplastic tuberculosis on gastrointestinal tract except the ATT is the treatment of choice.